kicking me. What's he doing?
He's trying to use him as a
Leverage.
flipping pole.
Hey, boys. What you doing? Easy. Easy. He kicked you over.
Are you those butt buddies?
Don't say that. I'm recording. Hey, you two. Hello, everybody. He's like, get open.
You're okay. So back up there. Good boy.
Hey, you alright?
Look at him. He's like, what is this?
He's like, you got creases. They're mine now. Whoa. I need to change your pants, Eli.
You got poopy bitches. Huh? Did you sheet your drawers? I guess mine did.
He's like, oh yeah, Mama, look at my puffy diaper.
Easy with the chicken.
Eli's like, you better get your foot away from me, man. Oh, they're spending their last morning together.
You saw like a baby.